Sydney, and in this video I'm gonna share with you how to use the funnel that I already shared. Okay, so first of all, you need to make sure that you read everything on this page thoroughly, because this is my step-by-step guidance and it covers everything. So now, as you can see, I have the first step, second step, and I want you to look at the third step right here, because I have the done for you post stories funnel, and you locate to this part funnel and you click on that one. It will redirect you to our group, and in this group I explain for you what you need to do. And the funnel that we are going to work on is built on the platform called system.io. So you need to have some basic knowledge about editing funnel, but trust me, this one is the easiest platform for funnel building that I have been using so far. It's really beginners friendly, so you can just go through and take things step by step and you will get that. Okay, don't worry. So now you need to sign up for an account first, and after that you need to click on this one. Make sure you are on the same browser, so my funnel will be imported to your account. And once you have done that, you will see this in your funnel. Okay, in your funnels tab in system.io. Now if you look at this, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 pages, and you need to locate on each page. You click on the first one for Facebook bridge page, and if you click on view funnel here, you will see this is the page that I built, and this one is for Facebook, because people on Facebook, they know if we ask for their email, that means we are building our list, and I don't think it's necessary for my my profile page. So I just give them more bonuses because that's what they want. And you need to know that all of these bonuses are for you, and you also can give these bonuses for people as well. Okay, so you need to change your picture, you need to change your link right here. Okay, and you can keep this one or you can remove it, it doesn't matter. And to edit the funnel, you can click on edit page, just click on that and it will open the page for you. And what you need to do is really simple. You can wait for it to load, right? And now if you click on this picture, you will see it show up on the left side here, and you can click on this upload button and upload your picture, and you change your name, okay, and change your link. For this link, you need to go back to your OLSP dashboard and you click on this hamburger here. Okay, and now click on this drop down button and you will see the commission generator, and click on the drop down button again and click on promote evergreen offers, and in here you will see there are a bunch of links that you can use. My level is team builder, so you might see only list building and magic link, this side hustle, and the mega link. Where's that mega link? This one. Okay, so for the funnel with Facebook, you can just grab this link, click on that one, and you can paste it in here. Just paste it in here. Okay, click on the button, locate to this drop down button, click on open URL and paste your link here, and after that you can click on save changes. And that is for the first page. Now for Instagram, I have 2 pages, this one and this one. This one is, you need to see that first, right? I don't use this one for now. Look at this one. This one is congruent with the side hustle page, and you can use this one, and you can open that one like this, edit page. This one is just a direct link, and you can still build your own lists. You need to learn how to you know, connect with your email, etc. There's a lot. So in this guide I only share with you my guide for the pages. And in here you can just click on this button. Make sure this is submit form. Click on this drop down here and make sure it's submit form, then to a custom URL. And this duration, you will go to this side hustle link. Okay, copy this one and paste it in here. Okay, I don't use this one, so I just leave it there. Now is the third page, and this one is a little more complicated because it's a whole funnel. I'll give away my affiliate marketing guide for people, so I need to share with them my Canva, right? My Canva file. So as you can see, this is how it looks on desktop, but I don't use it, so I don't, or maybe not yet because I don't have time for now. I don't optimize it. I just use it for mobile, and now I will show you how it looks like on mobile version. To see it on mobile version, you can click on this here icon here, okay, and this is how it look on mobile version. And I like this one more because this is my bio on Instagram, and in here people still have this page, right? And I can add some others of my offers here. You can use this page as well, and you can direct link by just, you know, copy this one, copy here, and just paste it in here. That means you don't tell them to get your affiliate guide, but tell them to get access to the offer. And you also do the same thing. You go back to our dashboard, copy the side hustle link, and you go to the button, and you can submit form and paste this in here. But for me, my funnel is people will click on this bio link, and if they enter their email here, it will redirect them to a thank you page. And this thank you page is, you know, let me show you. Maybe I will go back. I'll go back to the page. You see on this page, right? Thank you page, OLSP Instagram thank you page, and I click on edit page, and of course it's still in a mobile version. And now you will see, you can go to my Instagram, by the way, and click on that and enter your information, your email, right? So you can see how it goes. Then I have my videos here, and I tell them to get my guide. I send them to their email, and I have this link is for the offer, and this one is for the group, and this one is for my Facebook, and some of my bonuses below. And for this one is the last page. Okay, this one is the last page, and you can basically use it for any of your sites. It is only one page, and if you look at the very last one here, click on this one, and you will see legal pages. Just copy this link and you will paste it in here, so you understand all of these pages function, all of these pages, right? And that's what I built it for, and I give you everything already. Maybe the last one is emails. For emails, you can opt in my page and see what I send people. And you also need to, if you decide to use the Canva version, you need to edit, rebrand to your name. It's quite a lot of work, so I don't really recommend it for now. If you are experienced, if you have time, you can do that. You can use my Canva you can use anything in that page on that in that Canva, you know, the pictures, the info, everything. And if someone asks you something and you are not clear, you can go back to me, you can ask me, okay, and I can help you. So that means I will help you and help the people who join with you as well. You can add them to our group. We are a team, so you don't have to worry about anything. You just need to take massive action. And I think that's it for this video, and I hope you success. And this is Sydney from googlesydney.com. Thank you for watching, and see you.